In a world where climate change has intensified weather-related disasters
There's something coming.
and put our communities in danger, it is more important than ever before to prepare ourselves for year-round emergencies. Together as partners in public service with the Sonoma County Department of Emergency Management, Northern California Public Media designed a 5-part educational series called Prepare Yourself.
Very often, people choose to actually turn away from preparedness messaging. But when Northern California Public Media created Prepare Yourself, they were able to create messaging that really spoke to people and allowed them to engage with the material in a new way and help them to get prepared.
Let me show you how we can plan ahead before a flood.
This innovative program educates our California Bay Area audience about actions they can take to plan ahead for disasters through pop culture references,
Do you accept this rose?
sketch comedy, and original music.
Turn around, don't drown. I try to calm down, I try to relax, but the memories all come flooding back.
NorCal Public Media has used levity and humor to educate, engage, and motivate our audience.